Hello crypto explorers, today we're embarking on a quest into the heart of the DAOs. So buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride through the decentralized Wonderland. So, getting into it. DAO stands for Decentralized Autonomous Organization. It's like a digital utopia where decisions are made by the community. No rules, just blockchain superheroes. SWAT. In the DAO world, there is no central boss. It's like a puppet show without the puppeteer. Who runs the show? You do. It's a democracy in action. Small sneak peek into the ultimate investment. The treasure chest. Imagine the DAO as a treasure chest. What's inside? Funds, tokens. It's like the pirate's dream in today's age, of course. Absolutely no central boss. No one pulls the strings. Full community power. Members owning tokens. Vote on all decisions made. Welcome to the crypto Game of Thrones. Proposals are like battle plans. Your tokens, the dragons. The more you have, the more powerful your voice. Now, meet the DAO wizards, smart contracts, no need for middlemen, it's like magic but with code. These smart contracts make sure everyone plays by the rules. Security in the DAO fortress, it's like Fort Knox on the blockchain. Immutable, meaning unchanging. Immutable rules mean no funny business allowed. It's the guardian of decentralized order. Legends of the blockchain. DAO success stories are like superhero sagas. Real-world projects, community triumphs. Grab your popcorn, it's blockbuster time. Thanks guys for joining the DAO dive. Smash the like button, subscribe for more crypto wisdom and my own adventure and deep dive into the DAO community that I've committed to. So stay invested, stay crypto. Until next time, may your tokens be plentiful and your DAO decisions legendary.